relatives. Did this for free because I love you. Hope that you enjoy it. Look how good it turned out. I got before and after pictures. You should have seen this one. Woo! That was dirty. So we're doing your garage skirt as well. She's just rinsing it off. We already cleaned it. And then here's your sidewalk in between the garage. And then go back here and you'll see I got all the algae off your deck. Really had a lot. Here is the Trex decking now. It was really bad. And then under here, underneath your hot tub, the skirt there, that was completely green. Pretty much every piece of wood back here was colored green. It's now super clean. And then your Trex decking in here, 1000% better. You're going to still see stuff like that. I don't know what that is, but that is not coming up. We used steam cleaner in here. So once again, I did before and after pictures for you. And then all of this wood skirting around your hot tub, I got all the algae off of here as well. Okay? So thank you so much for using AffordaPro window and pressure cleaning, Richmond, Virginia, 804-402-3304. Go to my website, AffordaProWindowCleaning.com. Thank you.